The 46th state-level Murasing Social and Cultural Fair 2025 concluded successfully, leaving behind a message of peace and communal harmony. The one-day fair, a significant annual event for the Murasing community, was held in the premises of the Shri Harichand Goswami temple at Pratichhari Murasing village, coinciding with the auspicious occasion of Rash Purnima. The fair was formally inaugurated by Minister Suklachara Nuwate and was attended by a host of dignitaries. The proceedings commenced with the traditional lighting of the lamp by Minister Suklachara Nuwate. Joining him on the dais were Minister Animesh Debarma, MLA Pramod Riang, MDC Padmalojan Tripura, MDC Debjit Tripura and MDC Sanjeev Riang, Sunil Murasing, Community Head of the Murasing Society, Bhagyapada Murasing, Secretary of the Murasing Social and Cultural Fair Committee, Sanjit Chakma, Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Santri Bazar and other officials. During their speeches, the guests highlighted the significance of the fair in preserving the Murasing culture and took the opportunity to inform the public about the state government's various development plans and initiatives.
Murasing আর আইপিএফটি মুরাসিং নেই দেবা আর তিন পার্টি নি তিন হদাং নেই দেবা তামানি যাবো একটা হদানি একজন হদা করা তুমি ত্রিপুর ক্ষত্রিয় সমাজ একটাই হদা ত্রিপুরা চুবালাই পুতু একজন মানে পালিয়াবো ডাবল নেই আরো কিছু খামসা মাতো বুইছিনো ততরা দেখি দুম থিগাই আরো তো থিংজারি দংনাইছে যুবক রকসং না বুঝিনে আবন বাগে खामसा बुं सिनान जन्नांगो आं दालाय दंसका
समाजपति तंनायराव एकेबारे निउट्रेल दंनानै नांगौ निउट्रेल दंगै जों समाजनि बरना सेथि दंनानै समाजनि सामना से थांनानै समाजनि मान थायना गभर्नमेन्ट नि सिंथै थायै एचिभ खायनानै सो आबनो दिनै जत समाजपति रत्ननो जों मामोनामा कबकनाय आसबाय सिनि साफिसियेन्या दिनै मान थायदैबो दंखौ अनेक लामा हासले जों माहिमनायखौ दिनै समाजनि रीति नीतिना जों ताबुनि सिङै जदि साबै प्रपार वे एकेबारे डिसिप्लिनारि बिसिंथि खायै जों लामै मान थांगांखाय सो आई थिंक आं वान्सुगो आगामी दिना दिनै लं टिबिलिटि जों लं वे जों थांतानिबो समाजना लामै थांतानिबो दिनै दैबो गोबां रेसपन्सिबिलिटि दंमानैनो जों आबना सक्सेसफुल खालामनाय फुलफिल खालामनाय आं वान्सुगो.
The dignitaries officially inaugurated and opened several governmental stalls to the public by cutting the ceremonial ribbon. To entertain the large crowd of visitors, devotees, buyers and sellers, various artists performed cultural programs that continued throughout the night. As the night progressed, the venue saw a massive influx of people from diverse communities, reflecting the fair's role in fostering harmony between different ethnic groups. Reported by Bikram from Santir Bazar, Chini, Khorang.